If Kingston and Estero has caught your attention, just don't picture the house. Picture your life here. Morning coffee out on your lanai, family coming down to visit, having space for an office, kids, grandkids, or maybe finally having less house to take care of. Because Kingston is going to give buyers lots of choices. And Lennar's 5 executive floor plans could create 5 very different versions of that Florida life. So today I'm going to walk you through all 5. I'm going to show you who I think each home could really work well for and help you figure out which one actually fits the way you want to live. And by the end of this video, I want you to narrow those 5 homes down to house 1 and house 2. Before we start, I've created something to help you exactly do that. It's my free executive homes comparison guide. You'll find it in the link description below. And I would actually download it and follow along with me while you're going through these homes. There's space to make notes about every floor plan, write down what you like, what you're not sure about, and eventually narrowing everything down to your top 2. And also, I added a true cost planner. So as more information comes out, you'll have one more place to keep track of the home site premiums, HOA, CDD, property taxes, homeowners insurance, pool or outdoor living options, and the other costs that can affect what you're really paying every month. Because I don't want you just finding a house you love. I want you finding a house that works for your life and your budget. And if you watch some of my other videos, you know this isn't the only guide I've created. My Kingston planning worksheets to help you compare cities, communities, costs, and some of the bigger decisions you're going to make during your move. And here's what I would actually do with them. Print them out and keep them in a binder. Make yourself a Southwest Florida moving binder, because once you start watching videos, touring communities, meeting builders, and walking through models' home, they start running together. You think you're going to remember which home had the bigger pantry, which one had the guest room downstairs, or which community had the lower fees. And a few weeks later, you're thinking, wait, which one was that? So keep your guides together, keep your notes together, and let each video help you get a little closer to figuring out where you're going to be the happiest living here. And if we haven't met, I'm Lisa Pons. I'm a local realtor here in Southwest Florida, and I specialize in relocation and new construction. And I help people just like you narrow all those choices down. Not just which house do I like, but which community fits me? What does it really cost? And how do I want to live once I'm here? And which home actually supports that life? So if you're planning a move to Southwest Florida and all of these choices are starting to feel a little overwhelming, call me. You don't need to have everything figured out first. That's what I'm here to help you do. And before we get into the homes, one really important thing. If Kingston is on your list and you want your own realtor helping you with the purchase, call me before you contact the builder, before you register online, before you schedule a tour, before you walk into the sales center. Don't go in first. Sign in and assume you simply can add your realtor later. You may not be able to. And having your own realtor matters. The builder has their sales team. Your realtor can help you compare home sites, understand the fees, look at what's actually included, compare incentives, ask the right questions, and help you look at the purchase from the side of the transaction. So if Kingston is on your radar, call me before you go. Okay, now let's get into the fun part. The Executive Home Collection by Lennar has 5 floor plans available. The Amelia, Cedar Key, Destin, Lido Key, and the Miramar. And what's interesting is that these aren't 5 versions of basically the same house. They could work for very different buyers. So instead of asking which one is the best, let's ask which one fits my life. Let's start with Amelia. The Amelia has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, about 1,635 square feet, 1 story, and a 2-car garage. And I actually think the size is the part of the appeal. Picture an empty nester or retiree moving from a large home who says, I want less to maintain, but I still want room where people visit. 1 room can stay ready for guests, and the 3rd bedroom could become your office, craft room, exercise room, or whatever you actually use. I could also see Amelia working for a smaller family that wanted a detached home, but doesn't want to pay for square footage they really don't need. And because the kitchen opens into the family room and out towards the covered patio, you can still get that open Florida living feel. Amelia is really about simpler 1-story without giving up those extra rooms or the 2-car garage. Next is the Cedar Key. This gives you 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, about 1933 square feet, and everything is still on one floor. This is the one I think could work for a lot of different buyers. For a young family, you get 4 bedrooms without having to move into a large 2-story house, an empty nester, maybe one room becomes your office, one stays set up for guests, and you still have another room ready when the kids or grandkids come down. And those 3 full bathrooms could make a big difference when people are staying with you. You're not having everyone share one guest bathroom. So Cedar Key gives you a lot of flexibility and a fairly manageable 1-story home. Then we have the Destin. The Destin gives you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, about 2198 square feet, and you still keep everything on one level. I could see this being a really strong fit for someone who wants more room, but doesn't really want stairs. For a family, those 4 bedrooms gives everyone a little more separation. For an empty nester or retiree, maybe one bedroom becomes an office, one becomes your regular guest room, and another becomes a hobby room or workout room. You also have 2 walk-in closets in the owner suite, which I think buyers coming from larger homes could really appreciate. And then you've got that large covered porch across the back. So if outdoor living is high on your list, this is one I would pay attention to. I can picture a dining table out there, a sitting area, and maybe eventually a pool beyond it. Depending on the home site and what options are available, Destin is really the 1-story option for someone who wants a little more breathing room. Now, the Lido Key changes things. This is about 2520 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and this is a 2-story house. But the real benefit here is how the house is divided. Your owner suite is downstairs. Your main everyday living is downstairs. You've also got a flex room near the front that could make a great office or den. Then upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms and a loft. So picture a family. The kids could have their own bedrooms upstairs, and the loft could become their TV or game room. Or pitch an empty nester. Your everyday life happens downstairs. Then when your children or grandchildren come to visit, they basically have their own space upstairs. Bedrooms, a bathroom, and a loft where they can hang out, so everybody gets a little more privacy. Lido Key gives you separation without making you live upstairs every day. And then we have Miramar. This is the largest executive home with 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, about 2919 square feet, and 2 stories. But I wouldn't look at Miramar and think, I need 6 bedrooms. I'd look at it and think, how much flexibility do I want? You have your own owner suite downstairs, plus another bedroom downstairs. So this could really work well for multi-generational living, or for someone who has a parent or guest who doesn't want to use the stairs. Then upstairs, you have 4 more bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a large loft for a bigger family. That's great separation. For empty nesters with a big family, the kids and grandkids can practically have their own floor when they visit. And some of those bedrooms don't have to be bedrooms. You could make one an office, you could make one an exercise room, you could make one a craft room, and that large loft could be a second TV room, or a game room, or just somewhere everybody can spread out. Miramar is really about maximizing flexibility for a larger family, multi-generational family, frequent visitors, or someone who wants more options for how they use their home. So if we simplify the 5, Amelia, easy to manage 1-story living, Cedar Key, 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms without getting too large, Destin, more rooms and storage but still all on one floor, Lido Key, everyday living downstairs with a separate upstairs space for kids, family, or guests, and Miramar, the most flexible for a larger family, multi-generational living, or frequent visitors. There isn't one best floor plan. The better question is, which one gives you the space you're actually going to use? Now grab your executive homes comparison guide, go through each house, write down what stood out, write down your questions, and ask yourself, could I picture myself living here? Yes? Maybe? No, not yet? Then there are these 5 down to house 1 and house 2. Those are the 2 that I would dig into next. And don't skip the true cost planner in the guide, because choosing the floor plan is only part of the decision. You also need to know that house is really going to cost you. As more Kingston information becomes available, you can keep track of the home price, home site premium, pool or outdoor living options, HOA, CDD, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and other recurring fees, because two homes can have similar purchase prices, but very different monthly costs. And I want you comparing the real numbers, not just the advertised price. There's still more Kingston information coming. Individual pricing, HOA and CDD information, home sites premium, lot choices, pool options, exact included features, model home information, builder incentives, and actual home releases. I'm not going to guess at those things. As that information comes out, I'm going to keep updating you here. So if Kingston is seriously on your radar, make sure you subscribe. And when those model homes open, remember this: what you see in the model isn't necessarily what's included in the home you're buying. Models are designed to make you fall in love. So we need to know what's included, what's an option, and what you're actually paying extra for. And that's another place where your true cost planner is going to help. And remember, if you'd like me helping you with Kingston, call me before you contact the builder or visit the sales center. Even if you haven't narrowed down your home yet, that's okay. You can call me and say, Lisa, I'm stuck between Cedar Key and Destin. Can you help me figure out which one makes more sense? Or I don't know whether I should be looking at the villas, executive homes, or manor homes. That's exactly the kind of thing I can help you sort through. You don't have to have everything figured out before you call me. So tell me in the comments what your house 1 and house 2, Amelia, Cedar Key, Destin, Lido Key, or Miramar. And don't forget to download your free executive home comparison guide below. Print it, add it to your Southwest moving binder, and use it with the other guides and planning worksheets I've created to help you stay organized through your move. And if you'd like more help figuring out which home, community, or area of Southwest Florida fits you, call me. My contact information is below. And if you're considering new construction, remember, call me before the first builder contact or visit. Like this video, subscribe, and stay with me because I'm going to keep following Kingston as more information comes out. I'm Lisa Ponce. Remember, live where you love and love where you live, and I'll see you in the next one. And before you choose the house, watch my Kingston community update next, because before you decide which home is right for you, you really need to understand the community you're going to be living in. In that video, I'll show you what's happening at Kingston, what's planned, and what you should be watching as the community continues to develop. I'll see you there, and have a great day.